Hello dear students, the next topic that we will be studying about is the image formation through convex mirrors. For that, the materials that we will be requiring is, we will be requiring first of all a convex mirror, then we will require a mirror stand, a V-shaped mirror stand. We will be requiring a candle, and to do all the measurements we will be requiring a meter scale. Okay. So, now let us perform our actual activity. For this, the procedure that we will be following is as follows. First of all, we will hold a convex mirror in a V-shaped candle holder and light a candle and place it at a distance of 5 centimeter from the mirror. Now, observe the image formed by the candle in the convex mirror. You observe that the image is erect, diminished and formed behind the convex mirror. What does it show? That the image formed is virtual. Now, on moving the candle backward by 10 centimeter, again observe the image formed by the convex mirror and do it in taking the candle at different positions. You observe that the image remains erect and virtual, but its size decreases with the increase in distance of candle from the pole of the convex mirror. Furthermore, the virtual image formed moves away from the pole of the convex mirror. Right. So, at whatever positions you were taking or placing the object, which in this case was a candle, we saw the image formation taking place. Right. So, now I think you have got a better and practical idea of how image formation takes place in the case of a convex mirror. Got it?
Now, subscribe to Bright Tutee course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Tutee app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Tutee courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Tutee follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutee and avail your courses at affordable prices.